Hi there everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my latest speed cleaning video, which features a very heavily pregnant mama trying to clean around a crazy household, so enjoy. Okay, so I'm starting upstairs in the bedroom and I'm just going to make the bed. I always start by just making the bed. I usually do it the second I wake up. This morning I've left it till a bit longer, but that's okay. So I'm just going to make the bed and it instantly makes the room feel tidier and cleaner. After I've made our bed, I will go over to Leo's bedroom and make his bed as well.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.
Downstairs, featuring a grumpy fiance who doesn't know he's being filmed, I'm going to use my Fabulosa to wipe down all the kitchen surfaces. This is getting a bit trickier now that Bump is getting a little bit more in the way, but we work around it, it's fine. I'm just going to wipe down all the surfaces in the kitchen and yeah, just wiggle my bump as I go.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes
I'm also going to use the Fabulosa and the Minky sponge to do my hob, give it a good polish with the Fabulosa, and then I will buff it and dry it with a tea towel, and that gives it a really good shine.
if I never figure out where the road goes.
So I'm going to clean the dining area now, and yeah, this is a typical crazy family home. So I've got a fiance playing football, a child watching his iPad. It's just madness. The first thing I'm going to do is clear the table and put away Leo's little arts and crafts mat so I can wipe down the table properly. And I'm going to wipe the table with the Fabulosa, getting rid of any sort of marks made from dinners or drawing or anything like that, making sure it's nice and shiny. Now I'm just going to tidy up Leo's toy area, so just tidy up the toys that he's finished playing with. This is becoming a bit trickier as I'm getting bigger. As you can see, bending is becoming a bit of an issue, but it's fine. I'm just going to tidy up this area the best that I can, but really there's not a lot of point because it just gets messy in seconds. And I'm going to dust down the sides where the photos and things are, just dusting it all off and making sure it's all clean.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something.
So into the living room now, and I'm going to dust the shelves, which is a bit of a job because there's a lot of them and there's a lot of photos and sort of knickknacks that need dusting as well. So I'm just going to work my way up the shelving, making sure that I've dusted everything.
They kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Time to get the Hoover out now, and I'm going to start in the kitchen, which is where obviously we get the most crumbs and bits. So I'm going to Hoover in here first, then I'll go into the dining area and Leo's play corner as well, and make sure I've hoovered all of the hairs and crumbs and everything up. There's Trevor looking very interested in what I'm doing.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it.
I'm also going to take the Hoover upstairs and run it through the carpet, on the landing, and in all the bedrooms as well.
Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around.
So if you're a subscriber, you'll know that I always finish my cleaning sessions by lighting a candle. So I'm going to light, I've got a brand new candle to light in the kitchen, which is a sort of sad thing I would get excited about. I'm going to light a couple of candles and just relax because cleaning is over. But thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next one.